Okay, good morning again, chemistry classes. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all doing well. Just going to go through a couple of small things. Um, I am going to post announcements with the link, but what I want you all to do is if you're watching this, I do have a school related YouTube channel. Yeah, that's my name. Okay, they wouldn't let me change it. I wanted to call it Mr. Swanson. The video that I just did not post yet. It's still uploading to the channel or whatever. But this is where you would be able to find all of the videos that I create uh, for like instructional walkthroughs and whatever else I do. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel page. Look it up, find it, should help. Okay, so now what we're going to do is go through 416 pressure conversions, 6 through 10 with path and setup. Before you do that, make sure that you obviously take attendance and then go to chemistry. And then, I like to navigate from the home page. I've found it to be much easier. And open up the flowchart page again. I'm just showing this in case people don't know how to do it. Click on the top link so that you have it. It'll save. Looks like I already have this one. So I'm just gonna, yeah. And then open it up in the folder and it's right there for you. Okay. So then go back to the home page and go to the assignment. Okay. For me, it just shows up as a preview. But pressure conversion 6 through 10 with path and setup is what it is. A total of 5 questions. Let's get at it. Okay. Question 1. Many pneumatic tools operate at an air pressure of 90 psi. So that is your given. Okay. We're going to use red for this video. So 90 psi is where you would start on your pressure conversion chart. What is the equivalent pressure in pascals? Equivalent's a big word. It just means equal. Pascals, PA is where you end. Okay. So PSI to ATM to pascals. Let's check the path to make sure that's how it goes. So if we started at PSI, we would have to go to ATM. So PSI goes to ATM by dividing by 14.7. ATM changes to pascals by multiplying by 101,325. So it's a two-step problem, not the end of the world. And it's even set up for you. So if we plug it in exactly as it's shown, 90 divided by 14.7 in parentheses, and then you would times by 760 again. So divide by 14.7, and then this is saying pascals. Why does it times 760 would be torr? So that is a mistake. That should be 101,325. So that should be 101. That's a comma. 3, 2, 5. So when you put it in on your calculator, should look like that. And we will hit enter, and you get 620,357.1429. So that closest answer would be that. Okay. So, yeah. make sure that you guys are paying attention and just not taking everything for granted. Okay. Question number 2. The safety disc in a scuba tank will blow at a pressure of 25,000 pascals. Oops. So let's clean that up. So this is where we start. Convert this pressure to mmHg. That's where we end. Okay. So it's showing pascals to ATM to mmHg, which is a two-step problem. 25,000 divided by 101,325 times 760. Let's check. So we're at pascals. To go from pascals to ATM, we would divide by 101,325. And then to go to mmHg, we would multiply by 760. So the work does look correct. So if you plug that in, it's going to be 25,000 divided by 101,325 end parentheses times 760. So you plug it in and you get 187.515, which would be 187.52. Okay. When the brake pedal of a car is pressed with a pressure of 100 psi, the pressure is increased by the master cylinder and the car stops. What is that pressure and torque? So given is 100 psi. So we're starting at psi. It's asking what is. Okay. That is an indicator that that's where it wants you to end. Okay. So PSI to ATM to TOR, it's saying it's a two-step problem. Let's check. So we're at PSI and we need to go to TOR. So we're going to have to go through ATM. So that is correct. So we're going to divide by 14.7, multiply by 760. And that's exactly what it says. So parentheses 100 divided by 14.7 and parentheses times 760. That's what should show up on your calculator. You hit enter. 5,170.068, which should be 5,170.07, because that's what it would round up to. All right. Question 4. Normal atmospheric pressure in Mexico City is 565 mmHg. That's where you'd start. Convert this to atmospheres. What would that be? It would be ATM. Okay. So you're going from mmHg to ATM. It's showing a one-step problem. Let's check. mmHg to ATM is a one-step problem. We divide by 760 with the given number. The given number is 565. So 565 divided by 760. That's what should be on your calculator. And you get 0.743, which is just 0.74. All right. Okay. Question 5. If the gas in a container can support 74 inches of mercury, so this is where we're starting, but which symbol is inches of mercury? We'll go to that in a second. The question is asking you to end at pascals, PA, so that's where you end. Okay, showing a two-step problem. Okay, showing a two-step problem, and that shows mmHg. Now this is inches of mercury. So inches of mercury is actually right here at the very bottom center. So the work might be a little bit different, So this actually needs to be changed to inches of mercury. God, I gotta spell that. That's so long. Okay. I'll just say IN. We'll abbreviate it. And even though that symbol was wrong, the work is correct. So just, an easy flub that somebody could do. So it's showing 74 divided by 29.2 times 101,325. Let's just check that. So yeah, it would be divide by 29.2 and then multiply by 300 or 101,325. So the work that's shown is correct. Plug that into the calculator. We got parentheses 74 divided by 29.92 times 101,325. That's what should show on your calculator. And you get 250,603.275, which should round to 0.28. All right. That is everything. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye bye. Make sure you go to my YouTube channel. All right. I don't necessarily care to have followers, but this is where it's all going to be organized. So, YouTube channel, Steven Swanson at ZBTHS or SwansonST at ZBTHS.org. Who knows? Just find it, go there, be awesome. Have a great day. Bye bye.